In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage templates in HubSpot. We'll start on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, open the main navigation, choose More, and head into the CRM area. Once you're in CRM, click Message Templates. This takes you to the central place where all your templates live, so you can create new ones and keep existing ones organized. Inside the templates management area, you'll see your saved templates listed. To create a new one, click the New Template button. You'll choose whether the template is personal or shared. Personal templates are just for you, while shared templates can be used across your team for consistent messaging. Add a clear, action-oriented subject line and write your email body. Keep paragraphs short, include a single call to action, and make the purpose obvious. If you want to personalize at scale, insert personalization tokens to pull in details like first name or company. When you use tokens, consider how the email reads if a field is blank, and add fallback text where appropriate. When everything looks good, click Save to store the template. To keep your library tidy, move templates into folders. Select the template, choose Move, and pick the destination folder. A simple, predictable folder structure, such as by team, campaign, or lifecycle stage, helps everyone find what they need faster and reduces duplicates. If you ever misplace something, revisit the folder choices and regroup. Next, review sharing permissions. Some templates should remain private, like messages tailored to your individual role. Others are best shared so your team can send on-brand emails without rewriting them. Adjust the sharing setting directly on the template so the right people have access, and confirm that shared templates follow your team's voice and compliance guidelines. Cloning is another time saver. If you want to reuse a template with small changes, select it and click Clone. This creates a duplicate you can edit without affecting the original. It's perfect for creating variations by industry, region, or campaign. After cloning, update the subject line and any references so it's immediately clear how this version differs. Finally, delete templates that are outdated or no longer used. Regular cleanup prevents mistakes and keeps your list focused. If a template is shared, make sure no active workflows or teammates rely on it before removing it. That's the full workflow. Go from the dashboard to message templates, create and save new templates, organize them into folders, set the right sharing, clone for quick variations, and delete what you don't need. Follow these steps, and your HubSpot templates will stay organized, consistent, and ready to send.